This demo shows how to convert and run a Sherline CNC controller to USB. I have a Sherline 5000 mil connected to a Sherline CNC controller. Normally the CNC controller runs off the parallel port, but we're going to convert the controller to USB using the RT stepper dongle. The dongle comes with or without a case. Here the dongle is in a case. The dongle plugs into the CNC controller parallel port here. The USB cable plugs in here. The other end of the USB cable plugs into your PC. Power out the PC if it's not already powered up. Then power up the Sherline CNC controller. The green LED should be on solid, no blinking. The solid LED means that the dongle is enumerated with the OS and is ready to operate. Now let's test the setup by running a G-code file with PyMini. This is PyMini. PyMini is the software that drives the USB RT stepper dongle. See the PyMini video demo if you want more details about running the software. I'm running PyMini with the Sherline.ini file. This ini file is pre-configured for Sherline Machine, so no stepper motor tuning procedure is required. I'm going to load a G-code file with the auto button. And then I'm going to do an all zero to set my origin. I've already set my machine up to my origin. This G-code file is a short program that will trim out and mill 2 mounting holes in one of my dongle printed circuit boards. Here's what I'm trimming out is the tabs, rounding the corners, putting 2 mounting holes on each side. It'll look like this when it's all done. Okay, I'm going to turn the mill on, spindle on. I'm going to start the program running with the run button. The program will take about 7 minutes to finish. I'm running the video in real time, no video speed up, so you can actually see how smooth and fast the Sherline machine runs using the dongle. You can watch till the program completes, but this is essentially the end of the demo.